Do you want to live a long, happy and healthy life? If the answer is yes, this is the right program for you. My name is Xavier, physiotherapist from XcelHealth in Kent. I've been practicing as a physiotherapist for the last 24 years, and I've seen so many of my clients who are in the age of 80s and 90s and even 95 who lead a very good, healthy, happy life. They play golf regularly on the weekend and they spend quality time with their grandchildren. At the same time, they go for a walk with their loved ones without any aches or pain. But at the same time, I'm unfortunately seeing some of my clients who are in the ages of 50s and 60s but still struggling with the aches and pains in their joints. That means they cannot go for a walk without limitation. And if you are in the ages between 60 and 75, you want to know the secret why some people enjoy the healthy lifestyle and others cannot. There must be a secret between these two groups of people. Yes, we are going to reveal the secret between this group of people in the presence of an Olympic athlete. If you want to know who's going to be the secret Olympic athlete, just click the link below and he will be revealed. And this event is going to be on the 19th of June 2024 at the beautiful Allington Castle in Kent, Maidstone. And there are plenty of parking available there, and also the driving instruction directions will be on the information below. We have opened with 50 seats there. We have already booked out by 33 number of our clients. So we have got few seats left. Why don't you hurry up and book yourself in? It's a one place you can hear the entire secrets by some group of people who enjoy their quality of life without aches and pain, with a full of independence. And you can also speak to medical professionals, GPs, and also a physiotherapist like me and a dietitian on the same day. So you get the whole information in one place. So every expert will be under one roof, and this program will be hosted by an Olympic athlete. Why don't you click the link below and join us on the 19th of June 2024. See you there.